Guys, welcome back to Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called A Shop. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, time-based blind SQL injection, SS brute force, and prelude escalation and capture the flag. Now, we would like to come back here. So open the terminal, you just type it as a sudo su, enter your password, then later you just type it as netdiscover minus I is 0. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target machine. Now just type it as nmap minus t4 minus a is underscore scan, enter our targeted IP address. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So I have got the nmap result. One is available with sh, another one is available with port 80. So let's visit to the port 80. Now let's come back here as 192.168.1.40. Where we would like to got here. It's like a same like e-commerce website. There is nothing else apart from this here. Only these are main target thing. Like we would like to look the pesos. In the pesos, there is nothing else as useful. We would like to come back here. Now, once we would like to come back here. Now we would like to come back here. We would like to open here as a website. I would like to try to intercept as pubsort also. We would like to go with as first as with the directory buster. Let it launch that one first. We would like to try here as a directory buster. We would like to visit to the targeted IP address 192.168.18.1.40. So I have got the main thing here is one is with the administrator. We would like to visit this a administrator. So we would like to try to inspect here as a blind SQL injection. So we just try to do here, but it shows as invalid credentials. No need to worry. We would like to try to go with as pubsort. We can intercept and go with as SQL injection directly. So we would like to look here. We would like to try here also as a one more time like a SQL injections, or we would like to type here as a sleep 3 to 3. We would like to try here. Let What is the request? Not it get and response. Okay, let's paste this. So login username and password. Okay, request, nothing else. Not found. So it may not going to be working out here. So in this case, we would like to try with going with us with the pubsort. We would like to go here as with the pubsort. So I have already opened the pubsort. Let me just come back to an proxy, make it as interception is on. So username, make it as a username. Password is just put here as 1234. So we don't know the password. We would like to try here. Try to intercept this result where I have got here the usernames and password. So entirely I just try to copy in this one. I just try to copy. Let's come back here. Now just type here as clear. Just put here as nano as a request. Let me just paste here. Type Control O, Control X. Now you just type here as let me just type here as a clear. You just put here as SQL map minus R as a request. Then I would like to put here as minus minus dbs minus minus level 3. Let me just put here as minus minus rs equal to 3. That's it. What is the results we are going to accepting now? We would like to wait for this. Let's wait for the results. So even SQL injections are blind SQL injections for any type of e-commerce website. That will take a long and lengthy time process. Let's wait for this here. So anything if it asks, you may need to be give type yes. So you can look here, post parameter username appears to be MySQL and a time based blind SQL injections. Injectable. It looks like a backend DBMS is MySQL. So we would like to test everything and let's wait for the results. So again, we would like to try here. Yes. So I not yet included in this. So where SQL map identify the following injections with the post we have got here. Now that got the data. Now I can look here where retrieve the databases is for. Let's try to retrieve everything. Then later we would like to go further. So it may take little bit lengthy time process to complete this. So we would like to wait for this until to get a completion. So any type of e-commerce website, it's very easy to exploit it, but you need to find the right flaw. Where is the endpoints is available in the targeted website. So we have received now. Now, utilizing this one, we would like to go back here. The same thing. So we would like to try to utilize here as the main thing is here is a web app. So I would like to try it in the new tab. So then only we can get very easy way to retrieve this all these things. So now we would like to try here as we would like to go back to up. So we would like to type here as until this one. Let me just put here. Uh, so the database as a what is this? So we would like to put here as a database as a web app. I would like to dump the tables minus minus batch. Then I would like to include the level and risk. That's it. Here. It will start here, dumping everything. We would like to wait for that. We would like to retrieve everything. We would like to wait here. So for when you are trying for exploiting this e-commerce website, it may take more and lengthy time process also. So now we would like to try to go here. I would like to try here as a users. I would like to try it in new tab because you understand very clear. Now, let I would like to utilize here until just try to copy. Then let me just paste here uh, tables as what have in the tables. In the tables have only the users. That's it. Let me just try to copy the users. In the users, I would like to utilize to dump everything. What else have inside that? Then you can utilize here entirely the same command. That's it. Uh, Once you have done this one, we would like to wait here. So it will try to dump everything. What else have in the tables? Now we would like to wait for here to dump everything inside the tables. It will retrieve everything. Mm. So it may take to lengthy time process to dump everything in the databases. So we just not require this one. We would like to disable this. Then this one also it everything is over. We would like to try to close this. Yes. Now let's come back here. So we have getting the usernames and passwords. So we just need to try to crack that set here. Nothing else apart from here. So it may taking more and lengthy time process. So we would like to we would like to try to come back here as a new tab. Now let me just try to create here as a touch username.txt. Let me just put here as a touch password.txt. Quite good. Now let's we would like to try to wait here. Let's come back here. Uh, just go back here. Just put here as nano username.txt. I think this is the last one. Let it wait for this. So I have got the usernames and passwords. Let usernames is this parts Peter, Mike, Bart, and Liam. Let me just type here as this is a usernames.txt. Peter, Mike, Bart. Just try to copy this Liam. That's it. Try Control O, Control X. Now let's just put here as nano as password.txt. Let's come back here. So you just need to try to copy this entirely. This Peter. So this will match which one is the right usernames and passwords. That's it. Let's just try to copy. So we have for a search for cracking. Then also we would like to recap everything. So just try to copy, come back. I'll just paste here. Type Control O, Control X. That's it. So quite good here. Now let me just type here as clear. You just type here as cat username.txt uh, cat password.txt. So we have usernames and passwords. So to cracking for the SSH. So we have done with the website part. Now we would like to come to exploit the uh, uh, virtual machine. Now let's try to go for as a Hydra. I would like to try to put here as minus L. Username.txt. Password is pass.txt. Then let me just put here as I would like to enable the verbose. Minus 3 is 50. Then let me just put here a SH. Enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.140 minus F minus I. That's it. Now it will try to crack the passwords. You can see here I have identified the right username is Bart4. So quite interesting. Now let me just try to copy this one. Now let me just try to come back here in the new tab. Now just type here as sha bart at the rate enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.140. You just type yes. The Bart password you have got it here very easily. Just try to copy, come back. Let's just paste here. So I have successfully logged in here. ID we are in the Bart. Quite good. Now we would like to try to get a exploit this one automatically. Now we came to a bot here. Quite good. Now just type here as sudo minus f. Order it's not run a sudo minus l. So how we would like to identify here to get a privilege escalation? So let me just type here as clear. When I type here as sudo minus l, it's not running here. Now we would like to try to identify it here. Uh, user Let me just put here as a spin. Let me just type it as a get cap minus r. Let's just put here as 2 is greater than dev r. Now let's just try here. What's the results we are going to accepting here? So it have a pair to exploit it. So pair is very easily to exploit it. Let's just put here as user pin pair minus e. Let's just put here as we would like to get here as this you can get it from GTF for beans, so it's easy. So uh, let's we would like to put here as for 6 QW. Now just put here as set user ID. Then let's just close this. Now again for 6, let's just put here as now set user ID. Let me just put here as 0. Then you just put here as AEXEC. Let's just type here as a Bing bash. Once you have entered the Bing bash, then that's it. Now you have successfully came to the root access. Now just type ID, you are got it here, a root. Now you need to go to as a home directory, list minus a cd a but. So I noted yet from there as a user.txt file, cat a user.txt. Let me just go to here now as cd as root list minus a cat a root.txt. That's it. So we have identified the both uh user flag and root flag. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.